Serial number 13, Miss Vidhi J. Bhatt.
The question is that while appearing in TET examination,
Which examination?
teachers aptitude examination,
TET.
eligibility test one, for teachers to be eligible to apply for the post of lower primary division teachers, there are 18 questions which have problems, and those 18 questions have been challenged in this edition. Those
What is the scope of interference?
my
You must have challenged the answer keys before the authority.
yes,
Read that state of HP judgment said.
my lord, similar issue had arisen in the year 2017, and this honorable court in the very same examination has interfered.
But I have
Where-
taken a different view
Very well.
in Mr. Vaibhav Vyas's matter.
My lord, may I?
All that Kanpur and all judgments were cited.
Yes, all those decisions are also considered in this decision. My lord, may kindly see that decision is at page number 524.
No, I am not saying no. If I have already taken a view,
Right.
and if all those decisions were cited and considered by me, where is the question of reconsidering it?
Very well, my lords, I'll go through this decision. But otherwise, my lords, I can take my lords to page number 524 for a minute. Those decisions, very same decisions are considered here. It is a
Maybe I will go by my own view.
please, my lords.
Right.
So I will go through the
If I have
decision.
taken the view just before a couple of months, and in between, if there is any judgment which whereby some different view is taken, you are right. But if you are relying upon a 2017 decision and subsequently very recently I have by relying all the same decisions which you are relying today, then I will have to stick to my own decision.
My lords, I will go through the decision, but as far as rule of precedent is concerned, the earlier decision, if it is not considered, then, but my lords, I don't know what is the issue before this honorable court. So you are challenged the
2010 6 SCC page 759 Himachal Pradesh Service Commission versus Mukesh Thakur. 2010 6 SCC page 759.
Please, my lords, I'll go through this decision. As far as my issue is concerned, it pertains to multiple choice question. Here there is typing mistake in the
Same
question.
was there. Everything.
And
How
more than,
and issue about how to give mark also was there.
but my lords, here there is no negative marking. The cutoff marks are already assigned, 90 marks and 82 marks. Here the candidates, most of the
Then
candidates,
issue notice then. Nothing can except notice can be
please,
done.
my lord. So they will only be eligible to appear in the recruitment process if
No relief
no,
at
no.
this juncture.
I'm not even asking for. So this is not a test where my merit is to be assigned. It is only a qualifying test. So if I pass, then only I will become eligible to
You are
participate
right.
in the recruitment process.
In some of the matters which are already pending by way of some interim orders, I have tried
My
to
lord,
see that such mistakes, some directions are issued and all these, some orders also were passed. But
in matters against me only, my lords have passed interim relief. But my lords, may kindly see 524 for a moment. Para 2.
the Honorable Supreme Court has already categorically said that it's not within the domain of this court.
Yes.
226.
So in this matter, a committee was formed. My lords, may kindly see para
But I am issuing notice, let them appear. If they on their own are ready to examine, at the least I can say that constitute an expert committee, re-examine, those things can be done.
Please, my lord.
Right.
I will not ask my lords to go through the questions and discuss.
Notice returnable next week.
रोटला बनाना नहीं होता है आज रोटला मार बनाना था
Therefore, notice.
I will take direct service for 3.
Notice returnable.
એક એક ની દફા છે
તો ઓલા દિલીપભાઈ પતે ને એટલે અહીંયા તમે 5-6 નામ જોઈ અને પછી તમને મૂકી જાય
બતાવી દઉં ને કહી દઉં કે તમે ફોર્મ
Learned
ભરાવો
AGP
તમે નહીં આવો તો ચાલશે
waves for number 1 and 2, direct service for number 3.
કાલે મારે આ બેન આવવાના છે જો આ
Sorry to mention in between lots, but we have to put before